Cutting fluids are high-tech products. They have to meet different requirements, like cooling and lubricating. They must provide good corrosion protection, compatibility with the human skin, and guaranteed compatibility with sealing materials and paints. Low foaming characteristics and long sump life are also required. However, cutting fluids are used in a dynamic environment. Water in the makeup emulsion regularly adds hardness and salts. Some of the emulsion leaves the system through filtration or with chips and workpieces. And during machining, the emulsion is contaminated with ultra-fine materials and foreign oil. The high turbulence at the cutting edge causes water evaporation and mist formation. So, to maintain high quality and stability, even the best cutting fluid needs some maintenance. Simple equipment is all that's required to measure the main emulsion parameters on site. Our customers are mainly concerned with parts production. They take the cutting fluid for granted. But cutting fluid is a high-tech product and must be treated correctly. Firstly, it must be prepared properly. Secondly, it must be used in the right concentration. And thirdly, it must be correctly maintained. Only by paying attention to all 3 points can our products provide optimal service. Blaser Cut and Vasco are robust products that are ideally suited for on-site monitoring and maintenance. Reliable measurements are possible not only in the laboratory. The advantage of on-site measurements is that they can be carried out quickly, and there is no confusion about the origin of the sample. The most critical emulsion parameter is the degree of concentration. It supports the lubrication performance, corrosion protection, and emulsion stability. Concentration, therefore, is the most important measurement for all Blaser Cut and Vasco emulsions. What's more, the concentration can be precisely adjusted on-site. It's measured with a refractometer at least once a week, and always when topping up. The second parameter to be measured on-site is the pH value. Here again, the measure is once each week. Using pH strips is a very dependable method, and the risk of error is extremely low. pH sticks with a range of 6.5 to 10 are best. For all Vasco emulsions, the pH value is almost as important as the concentration. A low pH value is an early warning of microbiological contamination. The third measurement taken on-site is for water hardness. Again, hardness testing strips are used for on-site measuring. The degree of water hardness is used in Blaser Cut emulsions to control foaming behavior. Emulsions with low hardness have a tendency to foam. Emulsions that are too hard can cause instability. The foaming behavior of some products is hardly affected by water hardness. Grindex, Vasco, and Blaser Cut 120 and 125 are examples. In Germany, the nitrite concentration also must be measured. The limit is set at 20 milligrams per liter. Measurements should be taken and recorded once weekly. And finally comes the foam test. Fill the test bottle halfway. Shake it for 30 seconds. And let it stand. In a good emulsion, all the foam will collapse within 15 seconds. Emulsions also have to be checked for appearance and smell. This is the way of detecting changes early. Emulsion maintenance includes removing chips, sludge, and tramp oil. The cutting fluid sump is not a trash container. Correct maintenance ensures long sump life, as well as consistently high cutting performance and surface quality.